Okay, on your free will, let's go. Full power. Come on, let's go.
Hey, what's up, you boy? Well, they stay right here. I got cut for sure.
Again. Come on, let's go. No talking, let's go. Just practice. Close range, full power. Don't talk, just burst at him. Again. You're not protecting your hand above. Moshe, look at me. You're not protecting yourself from going to the gun. Okay? Protect yourself first from the blade and then. Okay, lovely. Again. Tell me finish your ammo.
What's the matter?
I don't know, I just don't like the way you look.
Okay.
That's it?
That's it. Great.